Are you struggling to find those last minute gift ideas for the men in your life? Well, look no further. We've got you covered here at MASC and shopmasc.com. First and foremost, at the time of filming this, there is still time for shipping to most places in Canada. So get your orders in ASAP, and we're shipping by FedEx and by Purolator depending on where you are. Now let's get right to it. We've got these amazing gift sets, brands like Grown Alchemist that have great formulations. This one here, which is the Skin Function Kit, so everything to get you started on your skincare routine or to take you to the next level. So some body care kits, hand care kits. Mullen & Guts has some great sets as well. This one is one of my favorites every year. It's the Make It a Double rum scented body wash and body lotion. Strawberry Reimagined set, which is their strawberry candle as well as their strawberry perfume oil. This is a votive set, so they're smaller versions of their candles. The strawberry, bergamot, leather, and rum. Obviously got their bigger ones. Salt and Stone has some amazing candles as well that complement all of their routines, which consist of body lotion, body wash, deodorant, and most recently their body sprays, which are amazing. They are safe to use on anywhere on your skin. An excellent way to finish off that whole scent experience, that whole scent routine. Some great gifting products from Bathorium as Enoki bath salts, either in an individual bath or a 5-bath soap. We barely can keep these on the shelf. People love them. They are really good for muscle recovery. We've also got their Tannenbaum bath bomb set, which comes with 3 different bath bombs that are sort of scented with the season. Really gets you in the mood. Also, speaking of which, they also have their Winter Berry Bliss, which I've been using. It's a fizzy bath soap that has fir needle and cinnamon bark. It smells so good. Really, really great this time of year. If you're buying for someone with a beard like Santa, so we've also got the Captain Fawcett's line, which they just recently came out with their Bianco Classico line, which is good for beards that have white hair in it, which a lot of guys will get as they get older, and those are the beard hairs that are more difficult to control and maintain and keep soft. So they've got a beard butter and a mustache wax that specifically help with those, as well as a number of other great products. The oil can grooming, which is another cool beard oil that we carry. 3 different scents for this one, comes in these cool automotive oil can inspired packaging. Morris Motley, which is most known for their hair products. We've got their new body washes, hand washes, which come in these beautiful glass bottles, but we actually have the majority of them in the refill packages, which is great, obviously great for the environment. So you could gift this to someone who is, more environmentally conscious. They have lots of different scents to choose from. There's also exfoliating options as well. They do have a shampoo as well that comes in the glass bottle. Toiletries carry all of their silicone products to help you organize all your grooming products. They also have this beard scrubber, which is great to use with a beard wash or face wash to kind of really get in there into your beard and exfoliate. And of course, we've got huge assortment from Jack Black. Jack Black has a lot of different body washes now this year, so they come in 3 different sizes. These are their big sizes, which are the most popular. Great for convenience. Normal sizes. This little set of 3 of them: the turbo wash, the Oliver wash, and the Bigster. Great gifting set. The triple play, another gift set from them. Comes with their face scrub, their double duty face moisturizer with SPF 20, which is our most popular moisturizer with SPF, as well as the turbo wash again. And then Mullen & Guts has their great 1 ounce essentials, which is really popular here. The little gift box. They've also got their fragrance discovery set as well, which makes a great gift for anyone who is undecided on what fragrance to get, or if you don't know what kind of fragrance someone might like. Out of 2 different fragrance discovery sets that we have. We also have one from Persons of Interest, which is actually 5 milliliters of every single one of their fragrances, so a great gift as well. Cool new set from Triumph and Disaster, which is a brand from New Zealand. They've got a lot of great products for skincare, hair, and body, but also beard now. This is their Grand Imperial set, the Trinity of Beard Essentials. Comes with their Johnny B Beard Oil, their Beard Balm, the Dr. Beard Balm, and then their Noble Endeavor Beard Wash. So all 3 full-size products in this great gifting tin. Bathorium also has their bath salt gifting set, which comes with 8 different bath salts, 2 of which are specific to that set, so you can't get them otherwise. Some last little tidbits here. There's so much to show you. This is only a snapshot of what we have, but Fulton & Rourke, definitely can't miss this one. We've got an assortment of, I think 16 different fragrances, maybe more, of solid colognes, as well as extract of parfum, the matching deodorants, and the matching bar soaps. So you can really choose something really specific. They're really nice. My favorite one right now is Cloudland, which is one of the more recent ones. It just makes me feel so happy whenever I use it. Man Dust, if you're familiar with Ballad Powder, which we've had for a long time, this is body powder for men, a Canadian brand called Man Dust, and this is the tagline, keep the boys fresh. So you can use this on all your sweaty parts. And then we've also got Wonder Balm, which is great for anyone because it can really be used for anything. You can use this on your skin, your hair, on any dry parts if you have really dry hands or dry elbows. If you want to use this as a beard balm, you want to use this for your fingertips. It's great for anyone who couldn't use a little extra love. It's a Korean brand called Wonder Balm. Like I said, this is just a snapshot of what we have. You can find all of these products on our website on shopmasc.com. You can download our app, easy to shop on there. And we've created a little gift guide on the app so you can shop by the active guy or somebody who's new at skincare or shop for women. So there's lots of great, easy ways to shop. We have a chat feature on our site as well, so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we're in our store every day, 11 to 5 until Christmas. Christmas Day we're closed, New Year's Day we're closed. We hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for listening.